La Prensa Latina, 31st of May 2023. While China lurks nearby to plunder resources, the Taliban sit on a lithium treasure trove. Due to decades of conflict in the nation, the Taliban administration is sitting on enormous natural reserves in Afghanistan in the form of new lithium resources, piquing the interest of global investors, particularly the Chinese. According to a recent survey by the previous administration, Afghanistan's newly discovered lithium mines are worth more than $3 trillion, Ashiqullah Hamkar, an engineer working for the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum, told AFA. While there are lesser concentrations in other regions of the nation, most of Afghanistan's lithium reserves are concentrated in the eastern provinces of Nuristan and Kunar and the southwestern province of Helmand. China sees a unique opportunity in lithium extraction and has expressed interest in light of the United States-led NATO's departure from Afghanistan and the Taliban's resumption of power. The Chinese company Gochan has previously indicated an interest in investing $10 billion in lithium extraction in Afghanistan, according to the Taliban leadership. The Ministry of Mines and Petroleum recently told the media that several other nations are prepared to explore the industry. However, given Beijing's lack of technical knowledge and competent workers in this area, some experts believe the Chinese investment could harm Afghan interests. Afghanistan will not benefit from contracts with China. To maintain control over the supply and prices of lithium, the Chinese will, at best, win the contract and hold on to it, according to economic analyst Nurullah Azizi. In exchange for assistance and legitimacy on the international stage, the Taliban leadership appears eager to sign several contracts with China. Still, some predict Beijing will take advantage of the agreements to further its objectives. China will also receive lithium contracts based on the most recent agreements. Azizi said China is irrelevant in Afghanistan's eyes after it fought two superpowers. He must have alternative options since relying solely on Chinese investment is risky from an economic and political standpoint. Another economic researcher, Araj Fakhri, stressed that China might now exploit Afghanistan's vulnerability due to the Taliban taking control of the nation. Politics and economics are no longer distinct disciplines. China would gain significantly from this investment, and Afghanistan will become the focal point of competition between superpowers, according to Fakhri. Extreme ideologies and Taliban abuse of human rights are another worry. The analyst continued, if the Taliban discover sufficient financial resources, they will no longer be under pressure and continue to violate rights, particularly those of women. The processing of the lithium reserves, according to the Taliban government, would take place domestically, and the Chinese investment, which would also encompass other infrastructure projects, would provide over 120,000 direct jobs and 1 million indirect ones. The demand for lithium, a mineral that is a crucial part of modern batteries and is primarily utilized in the production of drones, cars, computers, and mobile phones, among other products, is anticipated to soar in the coming years. Afghanistan's deposits may be pretty crucial to the geopolitical dynamics of the area in this regard. Afghanistan's economy will benefit if the Taliban successfully manages the deal's technical components and welcomes businesses from other nations to invest. It is noteworthy because Afghan lithium is of higher quality than lithium from other regions, according to Yashin Rahimi, a mining industry specialist, who spoke with AFA.